Hey guys, it's Mr. Sajak here. Welcome back. Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial of how to access our class on Schoology. So the first thing you're going to do when you get to Schoology is go to your courses on the menu bar at the top, and you're going to look for environmental science. It should have a picture of a globe, so go ahead and click on that. If you don't see it up here and you have too many courses, you can click over to the My Courses button and then scroll down until you find environmental science in blue and click on it there. But for now, we're going to go right here. As soon as you get to the Schoology page or to the class page, you're going to be in the Materials tab. That has all the course materials that you'll need while in environmental science. At the top, you'll see any announcements you have. This was for when I was having some issues with the class link, so I updated you guys, and a couple of you were able to get onto class with that. So any important announcements will be at the top of the class. Just below that, you'll see the virtual classroom. The virtual classroom is a way for me to provide resources to you in a more visual format than you would otherwise have. So I'm not going to click it because it's not going to work the way I'm recording, but if you click this little button here, this 4QB square thing, or where it says full screen here, it'll make it the size of your screen and you can navigate a little better. One thing you'll notice is there's a lot of active links on here, which is a lot of resources for you, like the IT help desk number. You'll see the school's Facebook, Instagram, and other social media. There's a couple surprises in here, our textbook. And finally, the last page is a bulletin board that has the school calendar, the letter day calendar, and then the new bell schedule. So once you click on these, they'll get a lot larger, but I'm not going to click on now because it'll mess with the recording. Okay, those will always be at the top and the first thing in the class. Below that, you'll see the weekly folders. We're going to go into that in a minute. You're going to see the live class link, which will take you directly to the meeting. You should go there on BDF days from 1:14 to 1:55. You can also go on ACE days, but there's not required live class. Below that, you'll see our reflective journals, which we'll get to eventually, and then my office hours, which will be during the morning meeting homeroom period. Okay, so if you have questions about class or work that you owe, you can visit me there in the mornings. So now back to the weekly folders. You can click here and get a quick preview of what's in there, or you can click on the folder and see everything that's inside. At the top, you're going to see what the unit or the section is about, and in this case, it's on social and emotional learning. I'm not going to go over this right now because you'll get it in class. Okay, you'll see another link to our live class. This next one is the circle norms. So if we eventually get a live class full of students, we'll conduct restorative circles. You should be familiar with those, but if not, we'll go over the materials. Basically, be kind and treat others as you would like to be treated. Okay, below that, you'll see the assignments that we have for the week. So the first one was signing up for Remind. Once you do that, you can click Submit. Then some discussion boards on introductions. And just let me show you real quick how to get in there. So when you do an assignment, it's going to give you the instructions in here. Once you do that, or if there's a question or something, you click Submit Assignment. And then you go to Create, and you can type, say, hey, I did the assignment. Or if the assignment had some questions, you can write the questions in there. Okay. This is a little bit different from a discussion where you're going to talk with yourself, or you're going to talk with me and you're going to talk with your peers. So there's 3 questions here. You'll answer the 3 questions in a post, and then people can respond to you, and I, as the teacher, will respond to you. I'll answer some of the questions too. Okay, so just remember, discussions are typically public and assignments are typically private. Okay, so you have 2 assignments and 2 discussions. I'm going to add another one for tomorrow. So you'll have another assignment there, and then they're all pretty simple stuff. Requires you to watch a couple short videos. When I say short, I mean less than 2 minutes. So it's not like it's particularly challenging. If you have trouble accessing any of this or submitting these videos, submitting these assignments, let me know. I'm always available via email or Schoology, and then I'll be available in person online during the school day. All right. As always, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.